I'm just taking a minute here to show you my breeze abatement system. You know, part of the charms of living down here in the deep south is our very long, very warm summers, and something that can get in the way of that whole experience are summer breezes. Which drive away local fauna like mosquitoes, which are valuable for feeding bats and dragonflies and things like that. So yeah, you put these up and I can effectively eliminate any breeze in my outdoor living area. Oh yeah, that works great, man. That works great. There is no breeze here at all. Pretty awesome. So yeah, breeze abatement. It's a hack. So there's a spot that I knew about up on Juniper Creek. I was here last week, and there's 3 hammocks set up on this sandbar, and like about 15 people. Every time I've come down here, and a lot of these, backwoods camp areas or hangout areas, there's been like tons of people, and last week was no exception. So this week we decided we'd change tactics, and we booked out to here last night, and packed in about 8 o'clock, 8:30, about that, in the evening.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, and set up camp. We built a little fire. Got up this morning about 7:30, and it's just gorgeous. Now I've been sitting here wondering when the crowds show up, or as it were. But yeah, about 9:30, 9:15, some people showed up on the beach and they left. It's not that we're uninviting or not willing to share, but hey, I'll take some solitude, peace, and quiet. So this is what it looks like when you're coming in. Pretty darn gorgeous. Big area. This is a western shore of the creek. Big area right here. You could easily set up a few tents if you wanted. Yeah, we came in at night, which is unusual. I really don't care for night hiking that much, but it's only about 100 to 150 yards back into here after traveling about a mile into the woods. And as you can see, more of the sand. It's a nice shady area in this big sandbar. Interesting feature about the area, people bother to put in these pallets. See that down there? Yeah, these wood pallets that they've have in various spots. Be pretty handy for drying towels and stuff on. But we set up over here. This is how I run when I run tent. It's a Marmot 3-person tent. And here's my old hex fly here. We'll put it up in case it rains, which it might do. But kind of a weird configuration. But it was really the only place we could set it up. So yeah, it'll keep the rain off us if that happens. Dude, swimming.
We're gonna hang on to the log.
Oh, she's losing the race. There she goes. What's really cool about a lot of these waterways, especially the ones around here that have lots of sandbars, there's quite often trails that will run alongside the creek or the river. And these are always fun to check out, and I think they're created by people and game. You can go for a while in any one of them, and after I don't know, 50, 70 yards or something like that, they'll kind of stop as soon as they start. But they're always fun to check out, and you never know what kind of cool things you'll find along the way. Creatures and whatnot. Like this little lady here, or this cute little guy.
Oh, look at the little baby.
Baby toady froggy thing. Well, the idyllic weather wasn't going to hang around for long. We had our suspicions. Florida was going to do its Florida thing, of course.
Yay.
It might rain today. What do you think? It's going to rain today?
Maybe.
Now this is a Marmot Limelight 3P, and it paid a decent, fair price for what it is. It's by a reputable manufacturer, and I didn't expect it to fail so miserably. Now I'm all about playing in the rain and stuff like that. When I'm out on just a camp out having fun, not some sort of survival exercise, and I expect not to get wet. I would expect that a product from this reputable of a manufacturer would at least pretend to be waterproof. Also looking into this, I discovered that Marmot had a lifetime warranty. And I'd like to say that this was only about the fourth time that I had put this tent up. And actually, it was showing signs of falling apart. I had tabs coming off of it after the third time I had set it up. But eventually, I got a hold of Marmot customer service, and they followed up requesting some additional information from me, photos of evidence of the failure and proof of purchase. And they sent me a mailing label to send the fly back for evaluation. After about 3 or 4 days, I heard back from them. They told me that they could not repair the fly and that they wanted to send me a new tent after I provided them with a little bit more information and some more photos. So I'm looking forward to getting my new tent. When I do, I will set it up for you and give it a little moisture test, and hopefully that works out. All I wanted was 2 nights. All I wanted was 2 nights camping. That would have been awesome. And take June to a nice place. So, I go home and hang up my stuff and, come up with my whole breeze abatement joke, Hey, it's an inconvenience. It's not the end of the world. Like I said, I'll let you know how it pans out in the end. Glad I came out to see the spot because it is insanely cool. Even though it's just a bit abused by people, it's very nice. Anyway, till next time, y'all do something, and I will too. All right.